Helo bawb a chroeso i'r gynhadledd genedlaethol Gwaith Ieuenctid. Mae'n bleser cael y cyfle yma i siarad gyda chi ac i gyflwyno fy hunan fel gweinidog y Gymraeg ac addysg. I ddechrau, rwy am gydnabod yr hyn rydych chi newydd glywed gan Mared a grym gwaith ieuenctid i drawsnewid bywyd person ifanc. Rydyn ni wedi gweld hyn yn digwydd dro ar ôl tro, a dyna pam rwy mor falch bod gwasanaethau gwaith ieuenctid yn rhan o fy mhortffolio i. Mae gweithwyr ieuenctid yn aelodau hanfodol o Daily Addysg Cymru ac mae gan bob un ohonoch chi ran allweddol i'w chwarae i gyflawni ein nodau strategol ni. Rhan anatod o'r nodau yma yw'r angen i sicrhau tegwch i bawb a dileu anghydroddoldeb ar bob lefel o'n cymdeithas. Mae ein rhaglen lywodraethu yn dweud yn glir bydd Cymru yn wlad lle bydd neb yn cael ei dal yn ôl na'i gadael ar ôl. Fel gweithwyr ieuenctid, rydych chi mewn sefyllfa unigryw i allu cefnogi'r bobl ifanc sydd mewn mwyaf o beryg o gael ei gadael ar ôl. Felly rwy'n gofyn i chi heddiw ystyried eich rôl yn ei cefnogi a cheisio gwireddu hyn. Within government, we too are reflecting on this question and asking ourselves what more we might do. It was with this in mind that last month I announced an additional £2.5 million of funding for the youth work sector as part of our pandemic recovery plan. This funding will enable youth workers across the voluntary and statutory sectors to provide additional support for young people whose emotional, mental health and well-being needs are being left unmet. Getting your support as early as possible is essential in preventing and reducing longer-term adverse effects. With this new money, we are making almost £14 million available for youth work this year, nearly quadrupling the amount of funded we provided on an annual basis some 3 years ago. This increased investment reflects the value and strategic importance that we place on youth work services here in Wales. Alongside this investment, I'm pleased also to confirm a new round of dedicated funding for voluntary youth work organisations in Wales. The Strategic Voluntary Youth Organisations Grant, which replaces the National Voluntary Youth Work Organisations Grant, will support national and smaller youth work organisations in delivering their vital work with young people. As part of this funding, we will be looking for organisations that can use their specialist knowledge and expertise to better reach out and support Black, Asian and minority ethnic, disabled and LGBTQ+ young people in Wales. Clearly, though, there is more work to be done. This is evident in the Interim Youth Work Board's recently published final report, Time to Deliver for Young People in Wales. Their recommendations are ambitious and they're challenging, and I'd like to take this opportunity to publicly thank them, the strategy participation groups and the wider statutory and voluntary youth work sector for their work in delivering them. I want to give them the full and careful consideration they deserve. I'll therefore respond formally to the report at the end of this year, having first considered each recommendation in detail. This doesn't mean that momentum will be lost, and we will continue to collaborate closely with the sector as we look at next steps. In support of this, we will work towards the establishment of an implementation board next year that will drive forward our responses to the board's recommendations. Before that, though, I'm delighted to confirm that the Interim Youth Work Board have agreed to remain in post until that board is in place. I therefore remain indebted for their ongoing work and commitment, which has gone above and beyond what might have been expected of them when they first signed up for the role. Finally, I want to acknowledge the work of the Young Persons Committee, which has been such a rich source of support to the board. They are an exemplar model of youth participation in policy making that has been widely admired. Youth work in action. I gloi, rwy wedi ymrwymo'n llawn i gyflawni'r weledigaeth sy wedi nodi yn y strategaeth gwaith ieuenctid. Rwy'n edrych ymlaen at gael parhau i gydweithio gyda chi i gyd wrth i ni geisio creu gwasanaeth gwaith ieuenctid y gallwn ni ymfalchio ynddo yng Nghymru. Diolch a mwynhewch gynhadledd.